The number one Bitcoin indicator has officially gone off. If you have not heard of it, it's called the inverse Cramer indicator. For anyone who doesn't know who Jim Cramer is, he is the host of CNBC's Mad Money, and he is one of the most recognizable stock market commentators on TV. However, in crypto, when he starts getting bearish on Bitcoin and crypto, the markets tend to fly. When he starts getting bullish on everything, things tend to sink into the mud. So I figured I would share this very bullish indicator because I know how upset and how bad things are in the market. We could all use a little bit of good news. And if we take a look at the X post where he actually said everything, if you scroll through everything, a lot of people are saying thank you for saving Bitcoin, bottom is in. Everyone is starting to get excited, and why wouldn't you be? At the end of the day, this is good news for all of us. Again, guys, nothing in life is guaranteed, and this is definitely not financial advice, but with how much negativity and hatred is going on in the community right now, it's good to see a little bit of good news and something bringing people together where everyone can agree that Jim Cramer is bad at crypto. But with that being said, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment. Take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you have a blessed day. Peace.